The hardest part isn't reading the book, it's showing up every day when nobody is watching.
कंटिन्यू करते हैं हमारा डे 5। जैसे कि आप सब जान सकते हैं, हम 21 डेज ऑफ रीडिंग चैलेंज कर रहे हैं। 21 डेज़ में हम कंप्लीट कर पाते हैं नहीं कर पाते, हम ये बुक हम ये ट्राई करेंगे, जितनी हो सके उतनी हम कंप्लीट करेंगे। बट उससे ज़्यादा हम इसको समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। एट द एंड ऑफ द 21 डेज हम बताएंगे हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा है, क्या क्या नहीं पढ़ा है, क्या क्या समझे हम, क्या क्या नहीं समझे इस बुक में। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम हमारा डे 5 ऑफ रीडिंग। कंटिन्यू करते। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग। It is it is it is to be aware of these factors so that you can stop mind from turning and preventing the release actions that you will always come to regret. You should also be aware of high grade irrationality in others to either get out of the way or help to bring them back to reality. Here are the five of flaming the factors. Trigger point from early childhood. In early childhood, we were at our most sensitive and vulnerable. Our relationship to our parents had much greater impact on us further back in the time we go. These vulnerabilities and wounds remain buried deep within our minds. Later in life, a person event will trigger memory of this positive or negative experience. With it, a release of powerful chemical or hormones associated with the memories. The way to recognize this is yourself in others is by noticing behavior that is suddenly childish in its intensity and seemingly out of character. In the midst of the search and attack, we must struggle to detach ourselves and contemplate on the possible source the wound in early childhood and the pattern it has locked us into. Sudden gains or losses, sudden success or winnings can be very dangerous. Neurologically, chemicals are released in the brain that give powerful jolt, arousal, and energy, leading to the desire repent. And this experience, it can be the start of any kind of addiction and maniac behavior. Unexpected losses or a string of loss equally creates irrational reaction. We imagine we are cursed with the bad luck, and that will go indefinitely. The solution here is simple. Whenever you are expert experience the unusual gain or losses, that is precisely that the time to step back and counterbalance them with some necessary uh, pessimisms or optimisms. Rising pressures under stress or any threat, the most primitive parts of the brain are aroused and engage overwhelming people's reasoning power. In fact, stress or tensions can reveal flaws in people, and they are carefully concealed from the view. It is often wise to observe people in such movement precisely away judge their true character. Whenever you notice rising pressures and stress levels in your life, you must watch yourself carefully. Monitor and sign of usual brittleness, insensitivity, sudden suspicious, fear, disproportion and to the circumstances. Observe with as such detachment as possible, finding time and space to alone. Inflaming individual. There are people in the world who by their name tend to trigger powerful emotions in almost when everyone they encounter this emotion range among the extreme love, hatred, confidence and mystery. It is best to recognize inflammers or by how they are affect others, not just by yourself. No one can remain indifferent to them. People find themselves incapable of reasoning, maintaining and distance in the presence. They make you think of them continually when not in the present. They have an obsessive quality and they can lead you extreme action, devoted followers or inverted enemy. On other end of the spectrum, attractions or repulsion, or you will tend to irrationality. You will desperately need to distance yourself. A good strategy to utilize to seek to through the front the projector inevitably try to cast a larger than life image, but in fact they are all human, full of the same insecurity, weakness we all possess. Try to recognize they are very human traits and immortalize them. The group effect. This is the high grade variety of the group bucket. When we are in a group large enough size, become different. Notice yourself under a sporting event, a concert, a religion, political gathering. It is impossible not to feel yourself caught up in a collective emotion. These are exhilarating, positive aspects to the simulating of group emotion. If you are noticed, an appeal is more diabolical emotions such as hatred of the such as hatred of the rapid patriotism, aggressions, or sweeping worldviews. You need to inoculate yourself to see through the powerful pull as it